Hey there, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick run through of how I put together the base pages for the 6x6 mini album that I share as free silhouette cut files on my blog. You can find a longer video that explains in detail what I'm doing here in the how-to playlist on this channel, and I will put a link to that video in the description box below. I'm just going to let you watch this without comment, as there is this other video that you can refer to if you really want to know something more in detail. Here are a few more options of how you can use the flaps and where or in which places of the base page you can put these flaps. I hope you find this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.